Welcome to our video series to help you create a Joomla site with JSN PageBuilder 4. This video will introduce how to add image and text section with JSN PageBuilder 4. In the editor screen, you can drag and drop any elements on your section. Come to the left toolbar, click on Add Element and choose a layout. In this video, I'm gonna choose the half-half layout. I will drag and drop the image in a column. And a heading and a paragraph in another column. And then I will style one of these elements with the right-hand panel. For instance, I will choose an image from my Media Manager. And then I will change the font family and the font size for both heading and paragraph. After doing everything, click on Save button to save your page and click on View button to check your page display. That's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now to watch more great videos.